good, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Recording, dude.
I had to have evidence.
Shit is funny.
It's ridiculous, is what it
We're
is.
cleaning. That's what we're doing. You know, she doesn't want to clean, so we're just gonna.
No.
You know, like, oh my god.
Oh, what the fuck? This one's full.
Oh, that was mine. That was mine.
Oh, what?
Man, I fucking defaulted that shit. I had to. Look, I'm a default.
The fuck is a default?
Cancel.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am, because I need proof of this dumbass conversation.
Shit is fucking magical.
I need to fucking film you cleaning.
The
You're not really
camera-
cleaning.
First
You're
of all, the
fucking moving
camera's
shit
too
around.
slow. It will never catch the
202.
magical, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what we got going on right now? Nah, the camera's slow. Shit, this quick. Look at it.
What the fuck?
You think she got that? I think she did. I mean, she got it on camera, but she didn't really get it.
This is ridiculous. I'm showing this to your mother. And I don't know. I'm showing it to the both of you tomorrow.
Oh, shit.
See what a fool you guys are acting.
Huh?
Clean that shit up. Clean it real fast.
We're cleaning, man.
For Monopoly?
All I see is you guys moving shit around.
Monopoly money.
Strategically moving things around.
Now we started.
Hey, keyword strategically.
What's the keyword? Tell me again.
Can you get your cell phone charger right here? Like, what is this?
That's Grandma's baby monitor.
1987, like.
Grandma's
Model
baby
Q.
monitor. That has nothing to do with me.
Like a Model Q. Issue 11.
Couldn't even blow me a kiss. Had to throw something at me, huh?